Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to prevent someone from sending custom media types in Telegram. If you're an admin and you want to restrict certain members from sharing specific types of media, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram icon on your home screen or in the app drawer and tap on it to open the app. Step 2. Go to the group chat where you want to prevent someone from sending custom media types. Please note that this will only work if you are an admin and the person you want to restrict is not muted. Step 3. Once you're inside the group chat, tap on the group's name at the top of the chat screen. This will take you to the group settings. Step 4. Scroll down through the options until you find the Members section. Tap on it to view the list of group members. Step 5. To prevent a specific member from sending custom media types, tap and hold on their name. A menu will appear and then tap on User's Permissions. Step 6. Inside the User's Permissions menu, you'll find various options related to media types. Tap on the arrow next to Media to expand the options. Then, deselect the specific media types that you don't want the member to send. By following these steps, you can effectively restrict a member from sending custom media types in your Telegram group chat, allowing you to maintain control over the types of content shared within the group. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.